I welcome you for 2020 Virtual Career Fair for our youth, where we are going to discuss digital and future skills that are required by our youth to ensure that they become better in terms of employability and entrepreneurship. This year, we are targeting 1 million youth, and we'll be discussing what skills do you need, what skills do you need to develop, upskill, or reskill to ensure that you remain relevant in this most competitive labor market. So welcome, and ensure that you log in on 30th and on 30th November and 1st December for the career fair. We are partnering with Breeze to bring you the first virtual career fair, which will bring together over 1 million youth globally to discuss and appreciate the digital and future skills that are required to remain competitive globally, even as we continue developing our skills and capabilities. As part of our journey of going beyond, we are challenging our youth to build more skills, to build more capabilities, to enable them go beyond skill-wise.